Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's cooking, we are going to be making some coconut beans. If you would like to see how I made this, then keep watching. To start, I will cook my beans with some water. I cooked this for 15 minutes. I drained the water off camera and I repeated the cooking process one more time. After my beans is cooked, I drained the water and set it aside. In another pan, I added my palm oil, some chopped onions, and my pepper mix. Please check the description box below for the list of ingredients that I used in this recipe. Next, cook the pepper mix for 10 minutes. Your pepper mix is cooked when the oil is floating on top of the pepper mix. Next, I will be seasoning with some crayfish powder, bouillon, some allspice, and a little salt. Next, I will be adding my coconut milk. If you want to make this recipe, please do not skip this part of adding the coconut milk. This is what gives this recipe its unique taste. I added in my cooked beans. I added some fried fish, which I broke into large lumps. Then I combined it together and cooked this for another 10 minutes. If you have watched up till this point, then please subscribe to my channel. After 10 minutes of cooking the beans, I sprinkled it with some kale. You can use any vegetable that you have, it doesn't have to be kale. Cook this for another 2 minutes and your coconut beans is ready. I served my coconut beans with some fried fish and some fried yams, and it was absolutely tasty. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos.